can't get it out. No idea. Like, why? You need to push this up and then it needs to turn out. They're new. I'm probably also destroying this bit. It's pretty good in minute.
HPM, if you're watching, we would like to have a new set, please. Sponsored.
I got it.
Oh, you got it.
Why did it go so simple?
Never mind HPM. It's the best bit set we ever got.
We're gonna install.
He's doing it.
He's doing it. We're gonna install the shelving, the cabinet over there. Boss is gonna work on the wiring, the electricity. But the first thing that I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna mount the 3 millimeters plywood against the wall there. And if that fits, then I'm gonna do the cabinet, and then I will add the countertop on the cabinet, and after that I will work on the sink. Just a game. And I need to go to the hardware store today as well.
These are all the buttons for the lights in and outside of the truck. These are the old electronical units buttons that were in the ambulance when we took it apart. I'm gonna place them here, I think, just like this, next to each other, or maybe underneath each other. I think underneath each other. Yes. It's 11:20 now. Gonna have a little coffee break in the sun. And, Bram, stop it. Stop, Bram.
It's like poetry. Coffee with Frankie. Now we remove too much on the bottom?
Nee. Kijk.
Now we have lunch as well.
Yes.
I need to ask a few things to the guys in the hardware store about the
Cables.
the cables here and about the sink, the drainage.
We're also gonna see the Tesla factory now. Tesla factory. I have no idea. It's the only one in the Netherlands. How many are there in Europe?
I don't know.
No idea.
So I think this is the beginning.
This goes on for quite a while. All the stuff behind there is
Tesla service.
It's gonna be really busy here.
Because we're gonna have to install another one of these here. Problem is, if I use the angle grinder to cut it out, I'm not sure if I'm gonna hit any cables. So I can see some cables running through here. The thing is, I don't know which cables those are. Perfect cut. This is the test, ultimate test. If the baking plates can be supported by the structure we made.
The moment of truth!
Let's do it. Yeah.
That's cool. We should move them a bit back though, like this is still gonna be...
First time we don't have to say, yeah, this week was mostly preparation.
Yeah, exactly. Still, the shelves need to be mounted on here, but that's already prepared, so that shouldn't take too much time.
Oh yeah, I changed the lights.
Pretty important.
Actually, this light right here wasn't there before.
It used to be here.
And those are 3 lights that I took out.
Good day.